Welcome to the installation of the CURT 17520 TruTrack trailer-mounted weight distribution hitch. These are the tools you'll need for the installation. You must read and understand your vehicle manufacturer's towing capacities before towing to keep you and everyone else on the road safe. Begin the installation by installing the head unit into the trailer's coupler. Secure the head unit by installing the trailer coupler pin. Then focus on the spring bars and apply grease on each end of the spring bars. This will reduce friction when in use. Once the spring bars are lubricated, install and secure the spring bars into the head unit with the included wire lock linch pins. Next, we will prep the snap-up brackets to be mounted onto the trailer's frame. Start by removing the linch pins installed in the brackets. Use a wrench and ratchet to remove the two 3/8" hex bolts and nylock nuts from the handle mechanism, and remove the handle mechanism from the adjustment plate. Ensure the bushings stay in the proper holes on the handle mechanism. Repeat this process on the other snap-up bracket. Now position the brackets against the trailer's frame and insert the 1/2" carriage bolts through the adjustment plates. Install 1/2" nylock nuts hand tight to each bolt, securing the adjustment plates to the frame. Mount the bracket handle mechanism into the adjustment plate by reinstalling the previously removed 3/8" hex bolts and nylock nuts hand tight. Repeat this process for the other brackets. Then insert the end of the spring bars into the snap-up brackets until there is a minimum of 4 inches of the spring bars sticking out from the snap-up brackets. The snap-up bracket's handle may need to be lowered into its unloaded position for the spring bars to be accommodated. Verify the minimum 4-inch requisite of the spring bars. Then torque the hardware. 1/2" carriage bolts will be torqued to 68 foot-pounds. Ensure there is at least 1 inch of clearance between the bottom of the trailer frame and the top of the spring bars. Do not over-tighten the 3/8" hex bolts, or the snap-up brackets will not operate correctly. Finally, secure the snap-up brackets into the upright loaded position with the linch pins and clips. Next, align the tow vehicle and trailer on level ground. Use the trailer tongue jack to level the trailer. Take a measurement from the ground to the hook inside the head unit and write this measurement down. Here we have measured 16 1/4 inches. Use the trailer jack to raise the head unit up at 1,000 pounds of tongue weight per 1 1/4 inch. Refer to your trailer manufacturer's identified trailer tongue weight capacity, or have your tongue weight measured to understand what your trailer tongue weight is. Then raise the trailer by using the trailer jack to compensate for that tongue weight. At 1,000 pounds of tongue weight, we raised the trailer up 1 1/4 inches to 17 1/2 inches for this specific trailer. Now install the adjustable shank into your trailer hitch's receiver tube and secure it with a pin and clip. Then install the adjustable horn onto the adjustable shank by using 3/4 inch hex bolts, serrated washers, and 3/4 inch nylock nuts. You will want to mount the adjustable horn closest to the tongue weight adjusted measurement. In our case, that would be 17 1/2 inches. Tighten the nuts only hand tight at this time. Run the set screws inside the horn to make the horn parallel to the shank so that it does not have any tilt. Now couple the tow vehicle to the trailer and lower the trailer jack onto the horn. Once aligned, insert the locking pin and clip, securing the head to the horn. If the head and horn units do not align properly, a tilt adjustment may need to be made to the horn's set screws. To do this, raise the head off the horn and pull the tow vehicle forward. Then back out the set screws installed in the horn. Tighten the top set screw to push the horn away from the shank. Then tighten the bottom set screw to snug the horn to the shank. Recouple and readjust if necessary. Next, take a measurement from the front bumper to the ground and write this measurement down. Do the same for the rear bumper. To check if the spring bars are properly loaded, lift up on the snap-up bracket until resistance is felt. The handle should be approximately at 30 degrees. If you are experiencing load resistance prior to 30 degrees, adjust the tilt of the horn until you reach the correct angle. This will help with proper pin installation while coupling on uneven terrain. Once coupled properly, with the head unit and horn unit secured with the pin and clip, grab the handles of the snap-up brackets and lift them up into their loaded positions. Then secure them in place with the linch pins and clips. To ensure the proper distribution of weight, the front bumper should now measure lower than the previously recorded measurement, and the rear bumper measurement should be higher than the previously recorded measurement. If not, readjust the horn angle or height until the weight of the trailer is evenly distributed to the tow vehicle. Once set up and coupled properly, tighten the adjustable shank and horn bolts to 200 foot-pounds. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed and set up the CURT TruTrack trailer-mounted weight distribution hitch for your tow vehicle. Remember to read and understand your owner's manual before towing, and follow all maintenance for proper operation and product longevity. Now you're ready for adventure. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.